Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with the Investing News Network, and I'm here to give you a quick look at our top stories for the week. The gold price spiked this week as the conflict between Russia and Ukraine erupted. After starting the 5-day period just below the $1,900 per ounce level, the yellow metal leaped rapidly to about $1,970 in the early hours of Thursday. Major move came as Russia launched what Ukraine has called a full-scale invasion, with investors rushing toward the safe haven asset. At the same time, global equity markets experienced big drops, with the S&P 500, NASDAQ Composite, and others falling. Bitcoin also took a hit, prompting questions about its utility in times of crisis. The situation has since normalized, with some recovery in the markets and a pullback in gold to around the 1900 area at the time of this recording. Even so, gold market participants now have their sights set closely on the 2000 mark and beyond. I heard this week from Ronnie Sturfla of Incrementum, who said he expects to see new all-time highs for the yellow metal this year. He pointed out that gold isn't far from its previous top level and said once it gets there, it won't face resistance. In his opinion, gold could climb quickly to 2,300 in that scenario. However, Ronnie also reminded investors that geopolitical events tend to have a short-term impact on gold, not a long-term effect. While what's happening with Russia and Ukraine is important, he's also watching factors like central bank actions, and in addition is keeping a close eye on fiscal policy. With Ronnie's comments in mind, we asked our Twitter followers this week if they think gold will reach a new all-time high in 2022, and if so, when. The poll was ongoing at the time this video was recorded, but responses were split between Q1 and later in the year. We'll be asking another question on Twitter next week, so make sure to follow us and share your thoughts. With a new record price potentially in store for gold, is silver set to tag along? I heard recently from David H. Smith of the Morgan Report, who's on record with a 2022 price call of $50 per ounce for the white metal. David acknowledged that silver's performance has been disappointing for investors and said it will be crucial for it to get above $25 or $26. If it can do that, then silver could quickly move up $5 or $10 and continue on from there. That's not to say the white metal's path will be straight up. David noted that volatility will continue for both silver and gold and reminded investors how important it is to stand their ground. He believes we'll soon find out the real value of silver, but it will be all too easy to miss the boat. That's all for this week. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates and interviews. You can also follow us on social media or click below for our free report or any article mentioned in this video. We'll see you next time.